almost okay analyzing matter or no there. Almost say the ex woman where they drag this woman matter, where they drag this man jeep. He say mo no quarrel with David, mo no quarrel with the woman, mo go quarrel with the ex woman husband with the woman put for us. See that one get blamed because say this one they give a muscle money, the ex they give a muscle money. That obvious and where this man fell married, they give a muscle money. This one they give a muscle money. So the muscle leave this one, he leave the ex, and there be the problem where the solve, where they pass through. So obviously the first secret fight. Obviously when I see so is fighting secret fight where this man S. That one the fight secret fight. This one now see they join the fight. Or me they all buy Omomebo yawaji. Their mission na to buy Omomebo. Their mission na to buy Omomebo. Usakwe. On sajag mono. Usakwe. That is why God bring Lizzie with Mama Lizzie. La osababi a marina. From nowhere, you need to fete matanoro. You sababi ari Mama Lizzie, or Mona Aria Yuobo. And ya subana. Now, you not carry Mama Lizzie picture. And do agbaro appeal. Carry Mama Lizzie picture. Con the poiro appeal. Which is not fair. Which is not fair.
Hello, Don Priest. Good morning.
Good morning, my lady. And God will bless you.
How everybody? How my sister and the children?
We thank God.
I bet you know why I come up. You said Isha woman commit adultery.
Yeah.
Yes,
so you never hear.
I want to confirm now. God go punish that Isha woman.
May I show you
adulterous. Now go kill her.
May I show you? This man explain give you this man.
Isha land now go kill that woman if he really do that thing where you dey talk, because. I never they had. I don't say yes. I don't want to say Isha they perfect, but come call Isha woman for adulterous. Now adulterous go kill that woman. Isha land where she from come. That thing where they forbid, now I go kill her. Now the thing when I say me, I can't tell her this morning.
I show you something now. The wash. This is not the woman. This is not the woman.
Adulterous. Listen. As
I felt with listen, I explain give you. This is not the woman. This car when sit down put so. Now the man where I carry come my house now. Now the man get the car. The woman where they got at this where come Omomebo. Now 12 they got to buy the car. Now as they come quarrel now, this woman when they see yes where they say this car so. He don't already marry. He did your mass. Now because he don't yet say because if I marry this man when they not they will get this car. Because he don't yet see how the wife don't quarrel now, he can't come back because he don't do homework since me take quarrel with everything, you do everything. He don't succeed. Now he can't come back now because they drive this car, they do not take the popori then. The popori that woman. Say one post where you post, he say make the woman go by herself. I have shown now. And this one. See here. When I look at it right for the picture. Now see what he writes. If they ride the man car, he say by yourself for your TikTok. What do you mean? He say me Omomebo go by yourself. They go by yourself. This na woman will be say girls man for us so they call they do pepper the gang just to make Omomebo go depression. And Omomebo and David I gotta buy this car. Omomebo and David I gotta buy this car. So this woman not gonna drive this car because they don't do everything to push Omomebo come for her. This woman gonna drive the car. You go post her for a TikTok. You go say by yourself. Who say make by yourself? Omomebo, but not the right name. He knows say the woman will see her. You see the brain where they use. She knows say the woman will see her. She say by yourself. You can't pull laugh emoji.
My question now, this woman where they this picture.
So I take may I tell you I take Omomebo when I interview the woman we married the David. I can't interview and say, how it happen? When they say you can't explain everything. Say, since when they husband has no man don't cross her. Say me the bridge juju you will feel swear. He said, but when they come down, he said David that your husband. So tell her say this is ex-wife. Where for go to gym, where for go to learn how to gym, train. He said the guy where they do gym for there, he go man come they chop this woman. Go there. He come they chop and the man don't know. Before the thing come bust. Since the day where they catch them. So now, the man, David, now by himself talk come and Esther know. Jerry know. Many of them know. They pretend say they know say now because of that thing. Now me they drive this man. This woman come up for Jerry side. Not be say oh that thing dey with this man do like because of that adulterous wey she go do. Now they take driver come out to okay as the driver come out, this girl can go marry another man again. As he leave David, he go marry another man. As he marry another man, he go leave that man for us. He call David that come drive David motor. Because the time Omomebo say the time when you are David day, he say not the Chayamo, he say not the combo, not the even the near there. Now let our children they come. Say boss, it's when they come out now. Now she come they drive the car, she will decide store, she will do video. Now she they control the shop now. Ex-husband shop. Take the pop. They say David go you the look am so that make Omomebo for enter depression. They say David go the look am make Omomebo for enter depression.
The priest. What the husband of this woman wey at the present now? What did that one they do?
I show you the husband of this woman now at the present now.
No, as the wife they behave like this. What it be in your take? Now me they ask. This man now. Okay, now the woman
since I bring this matter come out, no Esther presenter don't talk about this matter. Nobody feel this man. When they ask this man say, why your wife they go your husband go to drive in motor? No Esther person.
I go call British Okpaika for this one because you said this man
nice. Person don't talk about this thing. Oh, but you don't believe person.
Don't presume. This man now, nice and mashe.
Yeah.
And that one with the Jeep just now, I be this woman, abi.
And this woman they say Jeep just now, yes.
And he go leave this man where be present husband, go they drive the Jeep ex-husband property.
The shop for the ex-husband as they chop they enjoy. Come back to this man again.
And this ex-man not do and he not talk any titi now.
This is one I talk the opportunity for our side.
Hey. Anyway, now doctor go kill two of them.
Okay. Now Frank want judge the matter. Frank call the subtly this man. When you know say for abroad, so they say me they talk too much, they will drive the far side. We never know whether this man get document now. We don't know it day.
Now this man is supposed to
take plan alive. Now Frank they saw this man. Wait, madam. The man where be say this woman go to meet now because the one don't give Frank money. Frank not talk anything about that man at all. Not talk one thing against that man.
This na person wey dey against adulterous. So who is supposed to beat? Who is supposed to beat?
He's not supposed to beat all of them. He's supposed to beat to say that the person wey dey fight for adulterous go beat all of them.
Exactly. Now because now what is he saying they fight for? So he's supposed to know the right people to beat.
This woman now where they constitute adulterous now. Frank no is sort out because this woman don't give Frank money. Frank no is saw this woman one day. For Frank to saw this woman, he go to insult your husband because I hear say this woman don't give Frank money.
Now yeah, adulterous say agbe o. Okay, gbe area na okay gbe area no vade. Unwo wa retire. No that mwe eni sang botovinia. Awale elo avie.
It's a shame, man. It's a shame.
Me ale juna very san, oto san agbe. Won. Orioja ne ho elo. Nuru won tai. Won sarve gbe. O da gbe nu luna. Even no luna de riono. Won sarve gbe. Ole da gbe. Won ni orioja. Ora na okwo na wa la lo elo. Ona ka elo no ra veki. Nuru won tai. Adulterous agbe. Won ni adulterous agbe. Okay, gbewari ana ki gbewari anova de. Orioja.
You see say they remarry. Madam, you see say they remarry. Hello? Mommy Sugar.
I saw with Isha this what they say they
will. Yes, they marry on a marriage celebration. This is not Esther man. Not say the man that Esther wears attires. But nobody don't talk for media. Now no Esther. I never say for Esther platform. But the one way that they talk now those two girls where they fight for man.
Let me screenshot the picture. Me I go use a fan for Isha land.
Wait, may I bring the picture where you will see where. First screenshot this one.
Bring am, make I screenshot am,
First screenshot
idiot.
this one. May I bring that one come out.
Nonsense. Now my picture be this. Screenshot am yourself. God punish you. Now come now, they spoil women name for abroad. Wherever you come from, if husband has not let you stay, you know, come out. May God punish all of una wey they do this thing.
Better the boy be this one. Let be this.
Whether you be Hausa, you be Yoruba, you be Igbo, you be whatever you even you both say, people wey marry you both still dey do. I God go punish all of una one by one. Idiot. Una not get value for marriage again. Una not get value. If una no wan marry, make una kuku dey street, make we know say una dey street. No be by force to dey husband house.
Now they see here soon.
No be by force, for God's sake. Wetin? Here adulterous. Yeah, adulterous all corner.
He go leave this man for us. He go leave this man for us. He go meet David. The shaking hands for David.
With the leke eyelashes.
He go shake hands for David. It is also now let God know what dey happen for that side. Whether David or the chopper again, nobody know. Nobody, because where you don't fair pass to pass again, they very easy. They don't they send all this thing on a lie. God will pass on that. All these fake emoji.
Adulterous every corner. You face your adulterous. You face your adulterous. But Oyibo, but all of una wey marry Oyibo, wey marry black, wey they do this thing. Now God go punish una one by one. Even if anything una they go do to take cover up, you go fail una.
These people they spoil Sane. They spoil Sane. The greatest of people that they spoil Sane. Imagine
the priest, you know what he did this matter? Like because as a Shahuma, it vex me. But all the same, no matter where you come from, all these people don't damage or marriage people name. Finish people wearing responsible married women where their husband house. They don't spoil everything. Even people who marry Oyibo where they're responsible, they don't spoil their name. All these idiot people. If husband not let them marry not let them stay, they will come out. Make them cuckoo dey street. Make we not say na street then dey. Anywhere you face, now the same story you go the year of adulterous. No adulterous kill them. May kill their generation short. Because if they not cuss una like this, una no hear word. Idiot people, nonsense. Instead when the adulterer go kill any man wey dey with una for us, he go kill una. I be no want make I talk pikin journal, but I know say that one go pain una pass. Idiot.
The nana Frank wey say they fight for adulterous. Frank can't leave adulterous woman, they beat the man. Money get power, oh. Who say money not get power? Made it. Now you know money get power, oh.
Why Frank
money get power, oh.
Don priest, oh. Why Franco dey surprise you? Frank no go fuck person wey dey husband house. He no do am. He do am too now. So they be best with the same feather. He no go sleep with woman wey dey husband.
Look now, Mama Lizzie now. This woman get restaurants for Benjo. Mama Lizzie K, worldwide, World Lizzie K. Everybody know her. No work babe. No total matter where you get joy. You know that this lady now we big on her own, get big restaurants for Benjo. One of the Benin woman we get the biggest restaurants for Benjo. Now this idiot Esther go write RIP for her picture.
That Esther matter, don't leave that girl. They disgust me. So I don't even want to talk about her. When I get a big woman, she be, I don't know.
Wait. The best way that I write picture of a picture.
What they correct for him mouth?
So he asked my brother. Because of the evil way that they do, because the woman not support the evil, that they beat and pursue. Emma support evil. That woman, anywhere she did, God will bless her.
Esther, you know,
anywhere you did, also about here, your name whether they spoil for social media, no fear. What God have made for you, you continue to receive it. In your house, the husband where God give you so, God will bless her where. Also about said that bless wa. You know, a blessing is somebody will God will give you people a blessing in a can. They cannot sound. I can. Nobody can count sand. That's how you guys' blessing is going to be. They will cry. They will cry. They will cry. They will cry. This woman was for nothing. The other days, the woman was very angry with Mama Iku, but he still forgives. Okay, Mama Iku, may you go. Man, so we do not call my name again. He made peace. He off a day. But I see there's a bit of moment, but he was still comment. Or have a comment, very rare comment. He get the right to comment for any way he like. A big woman like that. Because he comment for my platform. Esther, you're black your day now. Maybe Esther, if you carry your picture now, go pour RIP. Hello?
Sabi, me, I get your picture now, I go put for you too.
Okay. So my sister, that's so Esther, they do rubbish. A very evil woman. And now
you get one of the video, you get one of the talk where I come across. He say, my na jeep, na passport, na property. All those things where she mentioned, people will get and pass and then they. So
this suka, you know how much you don't bless me for this platform. After this one I see so if they bless this platform anyhow without not the talk. Esther, how you don't bless?
Before me come out, I know say my picture there. Don't want carry me carry now.
Esther, how you don't bless?
Yeah,
when
yeah.
You tell
me, that what you see the free people don't pass. Now they don't know. You understand? You know what made the drag may no come out.
Mazuga, you too much. I beg. You know the way they do now. You know the way they support my platform. As I tell you that they say, you know everything, Mama Suka. Not let Hungry beat your boy.
Hungry no beat you now. My sister did there now. Hi.
I know. But you know my fast.
I know. I understand. I understand. You talk about.
Now they bless me. Maybe they cry. Yeah, I win.
The priest go and work. The priest go and work.
Yeah, winner. Where is a soul? I would be fresh. I would enjoy. I would enter flat. Very soon, but yeah, life flat today. Wow, so.
Yeah, you get my this thing on my WhatsApp. Send
that day. Where you take? I first said that for you that day now.
You sure?
Call me now. Just say hi to me for WhatsApp. Say hi to me.
Yeah, let me log in for WhatsApp now.
Log in, may you say hi. And I can't go for 1 million. Esther, I don't have a picture here. And I hear him in go. Italo, I know the two shots. Yeah, Buverio, Esther. When yeah, Buverio. I saw here why I'm 2 million. I went to please not mention my name. Well, Mama Wato. Me make beat up by the media there. I never beat anyone for media. What below what the media what below for the. The police is below there. But the police I can't just so. The police is below there. Oh, me cooking ya. Yeah, boom. Egwavo bagogo. Why ya di? What would the police adi? Egwavo bagogo. Almost walk below there. What ye? Esther Toshu. Give me man the bonnet. Oh, what talo ne bio. E man no rio bonwa wa gbele ya media. Wa gbele ya media. Very dark man. He talking now talk. He's a big here bounce also a billionaire. A very dark man. Everyone know he talking now talk. Very small a billionaire. Because a man agbon ni media. There are big people who we are talking to. Am I? There are big people where they watch us. Come on. There are some people who know that who are doing good. Fuck up. Lizzie K, you know, we can Lizzie K, yo. Okay, now you what's the problem? What's the man say problem video? Where man make be and they deal with you only your family. You now don't carry many family, Esther. I have a family no see Kuala Lily. I in Nigeria. Esther, we make problem we see. We when Nigeria were free. Oh no, who free? All the time when Esther who free? Usiokone. We got in Nigeria now who free? Let me play because Usiokone. If you will, Kawaya Zio was, we are to tell you where we can pay. I be Esther, can pay. Wow, Jerry all do honku. Jerry is a Jerry when Jerry push away yo, or push away yo. Jerry push away yo. When we besena. Oduga, hina. No worry. Ama when we can work on wala. So follow me apart no ya zoe. Go sege. Why millions in your account now? Millions of your account now. Have you? Esther, a millions of your account now. Italogbe, beg or arrange a millions. Or you went about it, walk and check your account. Then now it will expose it. Hey, why have you jail your winner? What? Hey, yeah, cover your eye. Enemy, cover your eye. What cover now? If you are a blessed somebody, people will bless you all over the world. Every day, you will see the blessing will be raining. Because if you see people are watching it. People are watching it. People are watching it. Now, what was bad depression? Today, depression is go wayana. Why are you leg big? Why you confused? Why you confused? When almost go no do my picture with me yo. We wake my picture with me yo. My picture also my picture na yo. We wake be. Ila ya no wake be. We agbe mama iko ya ko picture mama iko. He sig be me my picture of my way to go. The place. Ila ya we igwa. Ila ya we saga. Me asa we video. Ya sa we video bro. We team me saga. My picture na me my picture with me yo. Masa me team me we ke mata na me no go no dey do any. Mercy family na me amu we so I will leave all this family. Amazwo, I will leave all this family. Me and you will confess saga. That's why we go with saga. But it's about well because of Gwale, the day when me and my wife will fight, me come sit down, come analyze her, come give yourself glory. And what did they fail? You not get level, that fool, every level. You not get level, you not level, you not top pass me, you not get what pass me for math. If you say you get what, me fall out. Niketi, Omare, who if you call her like this way no answer? Me, the way me don't big rich, do some bad space. You say, nah, lie, no man, nah, small boy. Me, sugu. Una no say they fool like that. Una no say they fool now. He say, Esther, make you the screen record. He go screen record tire. If on get avant, was it be? He egbaru happy with picture. The picture, don't again. See, he write RYP for Lizzie K picture. Why ge Lizzie K man?
Now people wait don't see am for life.
Lizzie K man RYP, okay?
I don't send you for WhatsApp.
Okay, I believe you don't run. I believe you.
That's I.
Eh? Nice.
See I.
Nice.
You need to send details. Send your details there.
Are you talking to me?
No, I'm not talking to you. Send the details now. You know the details where I mean.
Yeah.
There's the details.
I want I can give you so. I want I can give you so.
Okay, I don't see your.
You don't see Abi? At the comment I can give you. They will cry. The comment I said that man I can give you. They will cry. Yeah, so. Esther, bien va sauver. Esther, when they pass what no to show love you. Esther, me one of your fans because you show love mo see na. Mo see. Momo na dia. Ya we but she's my lady. Any fight with the carry account to I'll deal with her.
Please, where go? No fight, no go there anyway.
No, because they jealous of tomorrow. Not go see say you see your people. If they jealous of a very useless person, I don't send her for you.
I don't even send. I don't see her.
Okay. So my people, my show now. What he do
is okay. Send. Like you carry my picture, come out. Nice, Abby. Yeah. If I didn't be the
Lose David.
Wait, when I wait.
Thanks for joining.
The priest, log me out now, please.
Okay.
Hello, my people.
Let's see.
Let's watch this video together.
That's my lady. Sugar.
Now, wow.
Ole she. He passed like 30 people. Eta logbe. What did you talk? Yeah, we. Mona say. Mona say to do this one. That's so. That's what it do. This is not Lizzie K. Mama Lizzie. This is a woman will not do anything. Nothing do. Now you want, me do here. Now see then David. They tell her say the what Lizzie ni. Si Lizzie the tine or the tine Omomebo we what Lizzie. Which is bad. Which is bad. Thank you for the heart me. Which is bad. Which is bad. That David, oh why is war? Mama, this father, they let that to be your godfather. Only for me, for me, Ojevei, for me, Bevariana. Only for me. Mama, only for me, we have a godfather. Only for me. What I say? Only for me, Mama, I have a godfather. Oh, you want me for me? Us one any. Oh, you want me for me? This guy, because then you when no Elizike. What can Elizike? Mama Lizzie not get it. Mama Lizzie is a big woman. She get her to go any platform. When next time right to any platform. So Lizike no insult you. You know go check Lizike now. You now even video. When I see what he do. A video where you have born Lizike. You delete a platform where a video where you take call Lizike different name. The video see your platform here. You did not delete it. Here's the video. You did not delete it. Eh? Oh, yeah, we. Sir, when I see video, we talk to that mama.
Lady K. No soon. No yo ewe.
Now, see, so.
Woman will be say.
He don't defend this woman for a very long time. This woman never find her. He don't defend this woman. Only he go defend trouble tomorrow. If this woman don't do anything not good, oh well, they just lost me. I get Jeep, I get property, I get Jeep, I get passport. That they just lost me for. I get property, I get Jeep, I get passport. Then they just lost me for. Now so you can do emotional cry. You see, when I listen, he don't defend this woman. And this woman never find them. Here, David defend this woman. I have your bonnet, oh, we have a Jeep, we have a property. You have me, yeah, I'm going to be my book won't even but we have a baby water. Mama, so they talk, oh. Now, so she they talk, oh. Oh, we have a Jeep, oh. Hey, Baba, what are they listening? Wage me another tally honegbe. When I say wage me another tally upon all. When am I ye go egon? Or ye ladian, ye gbaro api even one picture for what? A jerry age. Not the listing.
Edike. No soon. No yo ewe. Woman will be say. If they back men. All the men we don't not come. You don't buy all of them. Woman wey don't go prison for Belgium. Woman wey they fight like mad woman. They say they fight for Belgium like Omemebo. If you don't smoke it, go only Morocco.
They will cash you. They will go. Elabejo. They know Elabejo. Elabejo. If you are not tana with me, why don't you tata? Who do evidence the way met the back for your body? You know, we are not will your way. Who do evidence Eta we dio manata mame or he set in no one mata mawe. Uta na o mahawe o mata mame o You are saying it like say you see am with your eye. Now they listen.
Lady K, no sungu. Okwu no yagu loyo ewe. Woman wey be say e dey kpakpa men. All the men wey don knack am, e don kpai all of them. Woman wey don go prison for Belgium. Woman wey dey fight like mad woman. They say you dey fight for Belgium like Omemebo. If you don smoke igbo, only Morocco. Iya wetin Elizike to wa sie Morocco. To wa sie eva ino fofua. No gugbu e. Ugwi ya dalo di menu ene. Ka God ya ma dalo di inu ewe. Tiga gba shawo be Nigeria. Ya gbe ga afise mezi woba market. Ugwe esi me emilonia no. Eriono na no. Lady K. Iya dalo di mene be Belgium. Iya way. Whether 3 children, 3 papa, different junkie be Belgium. Iya ni muwe ya be weni ya be muwe konu. Nusungu. E pote pepe soup nou le be restaurant si we. Avec bi anu gbele o ya le ne pepe soup.
Una hear say people wey dey buy like they cook soup. You see the way they defend the woman. Is poor the woman image. This is what she's doing. This is what she know how to do best. Just to use lie to saga people. Just to use lie to defend people. This is what she do best. Not the year.
Lady K no gbelikpia for a living. Ole kankan wa sungu ogun ogbiju e. Ya gwa la dresi mamure. Ya puje ve ariowa. Wa sungu Lady K. Wa sungu. Inwinere okya buwenye. Wa jun we mugune Omomebo atewu. Ugu no take Omomebo we waka wu.
See, as she take they confess, because of the one me Omomebo quick buy. They say and say the woman not back buy. So best way they say they are alive for Benjo there, where they give the woman hope, that be Lazy K. So then they want me that one back. Ugun watini yana unya ga to bua wuye. Unya ga to bua avant. Unwe Lazy K ga to bua wuye. O ga to na to ga to ze juwe. Ijwe ne de dana ye wo ni de da zena la dia. Lare go de dana. Lazy K, mama, o ga to so wuye. O ga to so avant. Lazy K ga to sote utome do ata utogbe o o ga to ijwe na ihe ga je na omomo ekele Lazy K je bo sege o ga to we o ga to avant ga to ta Omomebo o ga to we o ga to avant uwu ni agwaluwa uwu ni mamuni ya o mamugi je o mamugi je na o mamugi Esther mamuge Jerry, mamuge tien o. Uwuni agwaluwa mamuge yaba. So maye ade. Ugbe. Uwuni anuwate muge family Omomebo, a family Lazy K, Aretia ya family Don Prince, a family man wunwate mugbe fascine, ma weri eguwa o. Wavio Esther to show ve yoga e David we wa ya gwani ya wu ma muguwa o. Ma muguwa o. So ma ye muladia o. Oh se wo oh se va avant se va son. No really wu gwalima, no re mi ave gwalima, but return there to send that to this woman. O ko na me boya wu, we me boya gu vava o. Wu ni ni ate gwale iyogane ma mu e bi opona o. O me boya wu. Abie ya go wa ni vason, abie go wa avant, abie go wa wa abie yore. No the listing. No the listing. Well, listen.
Lady K no belipia for a living. Ole kankan wa sun ogun ogbiju e. Ya gwa la Jesse mamure. Ya puje me ariowa. Wa sun we Lady K. Wa sun wo. Inwinere okya buwe nya. Wa jun we muwu ne Omomebo ate wu. Uwu no te gba Omomebo we ke wo ka wu. Ai mugwe yoto Omomebo nyawe. Wa sun wu. So we saga wu na. Ime video mi unu gegun ene we download the keep. Iki ana de kanjeme. Eke na bogu we jiwe doni. Mi amion. Ibe manaiti bi ogu we ra vijuwe na hu ne. Era vijuwe na hu ne me manaiti ya fiere yo wawe. Mesu agyo wa. Wa gbe o. Mo we di juwe fi agu ijuwe na zen. Iya download the ya weti juwe wa ka ijuwe. Upopo ya gbijuwe.
Ordinary if you were omono wulo yu eko na riyo. O 20 wati omono wulo yu eko onariyo. If you ya omono wulo yako no wariyo wa na hina. Everybody abema not stop our town. Thank you. Don't carry me 30,000 or why. Oh, clap for them. Oh yeah. Everybody go. I will say why stop. I will say wow. Everybody let's go. Omono we meti bi be Jerry e de danario. E de na wu ba Jerry abie. Jerry e de na wu avie e de eso wanyo e derio. Jerry e de na wu na so wu bia ba mo. Iri kinu na e de na wa wu. Esther wa so Esther lari. Gari ok we de your man isagagbe we worry. Isagagbe. Isagagbe. Oh, eso gari ok we. Oh, they listen.
Ibe manaiti bi ogu we ra vijuwe na hu ne. Era vijuwe na hu ne me manaiti ya fiere yo wawe. Mesu agyo wa. Wa gbe o. Mo we di juwe fi agu ijuwe na zen. Iya download the ya weti juwe wa ka ijuwe. Upopo ya gbijuwe. Iya ize gbijuwe ya gbijuwe je aze oride osalo boaligo so ya na gienjuwe. Ijo na de kodu kona de yuwe ziki. Iya na upopo ya gbijuwe lizi. Wa gbe o aze ni juwe fi anu e ologo we.
Imagine that say as Mama Lizzie dey wash her na, they pull out for my eye dey feel. Area well media na. We wa mudia wa value you. Mama Lizzie wa gugugie. Oh we. Wait, oh yeah, what value no we. Our value because the media. They believe say you not the media. Our value you. Ben you value you. Area where ya the boo. Mo do exposing ya. Area wa we. Our value you egbe wa. Mo ben you value na me ye river. Yeah, put the listing.
Oh, we juwe gbijo ya gbijuwe je aze oride osalo boaligo so ya na gienjuwe. Ijo na de kodu kona de yuwe ziki. Iya na upopo ya gbijuwe lizi.
Wa wo ide only goes for that gion eh. Only so ya gion na ke va de yuwe ziki. O ide yuwe ziki na. Esther, o go muye ma gbe. O go ga gbijuwe na yi. Only goes for that mwe fi ziki. Ziki. Ai ke ziki mwe tore. Na ke no ke ziki mwe tore.
Taka ijuwe. Upopo ya gbijuwe. Iya ize gbijuwe ya gbijuwe je aze oride osalo boaligo so ya na gienjuwe. Ijo na de kodu kona de yuwe ziki. Iya na upopo ya gbijuwe lizi. Wa gbe o aze ni juwe fi anu e ologo we na. Na mi eweti ya ni omeme ya gulo yo wewe. Wa sungu. Wa gbe o wewe domugu. Uwa o Ege mana gele awe saga we Facebook abami wa na mi mana wa level there.
Because
just that way
because wa ma mi ko we. Ege na re Facebook me ma saga we wa tori. E ma saga we star. Ti me get the saga we for lad. E ba me do we. Mi ka saga we 50 talking na but now we 2-3 days now we say we are. But na na you. On my lad na. When that when I read TikTok, man we Facebook again. Man you call we. Erita ka amujwe la David na arrest ijwe. Ijwe na Erita ka fuwane. Erita won wijwe na won Erita won wijwe na. Erita ya mujwe ya padijwe. Abi do pe the video ma we. You don't pe the video ma we Erita ya padijwe mo a. Ugbe wa. Erita maka padijwe mu. That do me we Lizzy mama Lizzy na ya mujwe last. When already woo, that do me where the mama Lizzy na ya polish we because we're dealing with marketing. In no area we're day on it. Mama Lizzy not small. Mama Lizzy not small. Imagine when I live a fake life, you always go ask question. Mama Lizzy not small. It's not small. Not be play. Esther, wa wo no we ki restaurant si Jemmy na bege. Esther, ki restaurant si Jemmy. No see. Whether you feel pour restaurants for Jemmy. That woman bass for it gas be bass for Benjo. Although wa be Benjo, the restaurants all door. Esther, we ki restaurant si Benjo. A government or you pay you wa with Jemmy. Esther, a government of people who are with me. I get property, I get jeep, I get passport. Area water. No matter me away, a government or people who are with me. I still doing that government. We matter me away, Jerry pay full apartment with Jamie. Hey man, woo. Jerry pay full apartment with Jamie, man, woo. Esther, you are a foolish somebody. Go and open restaurants in Germany before you challenge Mama Lizzy. Mama Lizzy say we never Rihanna. Or they benjo yona asa. Or they benjo na asa. The blessing of the benjo here or see your abo or see family obo or yeah bless you why. I will run ever bless one. Benjo bless that lady. Why do I win the area of social media? Because she not the media. Okay, I threaten Omomebo me media. Wado atalo yoge ije gbe talo yoge egbo egbe. Oh. Ana miwe, we ti the matter with social media just lie. We ti the matter. We te matter pa. Who dey prove real we prove no proof just to lie. In where. A way.
O boali go so ya na gienju e. Ijo na de kodu ko na de yuwe ziki. Yen na yupopo ya gbiju elizi. Wa gbe o azeni jo efianu e ologo we na. Na mi eweti ya ni opanu riri lele. Teri ya gulo yo wewe. Wa sungu. Wa gbe o wewe domugu. Uwa o ege mana gele awe saga we Facebook abami wa na mi mana wa lewo de. Just that we now. Iwata we no kasaga ikave but ye gbugwa neke yewe wa gba so ri wata se eri ana we friend uji eri a uji me ma onji nu we friend wa gba ogun ogbo egbe informative we no ma anything about Esther wa sunwu ogun ogbiju obi azen we no keke we no gbelikpia no gbelikpia ya le pepper soup. But could I not go Lady K restaurants again for Bejo? Talk gbelikpia ya we sweet.
Could I not go Lady K restaurant for Bejo? We might key. We stop upon when we Jamie. We anything wa wale kono work but wa dress. At the cover work it the press imagine winner wa live the fake life. Could not join I beg wa work kona bala do wa the kona. Oh video that way. Fake life. And Jerry no. Jerry yege fake life for live. Iya wa ye zuo. Iya ye zuo. Fake life agbeli yawa. You want me Evani? They live fake life. Da. Make next time with fake life. He make next time with fake life. One more video. Don't mugu. He very close in there. Esther, show us where you work. Show us the company. Most way for the work, Esther. He very close in there. Very foolish somebody. Ah God.
Yeah. talk belikpia wetin ikpe agwulo yo ewe eliziki oye gbashawo ose we best friends we ona call him ebuwana owe eshifi we Nigeria what da fi yen no wo mare yen wonu ehonu wa ya ran we shifi ni wa mare yen una wa lieke una ya we marriage ye shifu una ya lieke mare ose we egbonyi me dano mo me bowe go we go o dere ola wa o ogwugwa gwa gwalo to bugwa nu gwa sunwu me na ogwo ma gbono me weti pe agulo yo ewe me
3, 2, 4, 9, 3, 3, 2, 7, 8.
imagwe no gbashawo more re fu ago me
The information reaching me now. Information reaching me now. Esther, you be Magnus. Esther, you be Magnus. Esther, you be Magnus. Because I hear that I say Mama Magnus or 8 husband, 8 children. I will be in it. So you na the mama be this one we marry 8 men. See story oh, may I put her for here. This woman marry 8 husband oh. This woman this woman marry 8 husband. Marry EJ Magnus, you know. We get star send Esther na me oh. And Esther Mera. Well, question now. Let Esther be last born. Esther Mera. Wait. This Edede marry 8 husband. I be 7 husband. Edede marry 8 husband. 8 men. 8 men. 8 men with 8 children. With 8 children. 8 men. First map with not confident again. Now, people, this Edede marry 8 men with 8 children. He born one for each man. Information giving me. Now, me start if I lie, me can't debunk am. Or if you lie, maybe if 7, but the one with the your table is not 8. But me fair year 7. Say na 7, but on that person they tell me now say na 8. See, make I ask Esther whether the mama picking whether they call Magnus. Boy, we decide the name na Magnus. Magnus. Somebody write in the comment section. Magnus. This is Magnus' mother. I'm a Magnus Ladian. I be sugu ya wala. Why am Magnus gege? I want to talk to Magnus. All my sugu around the world, please. You need the Magnus. I am Magnus Ladian. I be 20 who the barrel because the woman belly will no boom, but the Magnus when you walk be away. I remember Magnus Iladia. Any moment from now, I will see Magnus. Magnus is a brother to Esther. And this woman born her. And this woman married 8 husbands, born 8 children. Mama Esther. Mama Esther born 8 children, 8 husbands. And his daughter now did 2 husbands now. Esther did 2 husbands now. He was 23. Esther really like the 3rd one, but Esther, you were 8 husbands. That make you not get sense. That make you not really get sense. Oh no, wagbiri. Where we saga. Isagos we wagbiri. Wakosi wala le gbobo, wakosi wala different wala everywhere. Community in Nigeria we una. You don't feel good Nigeria. We me wa carry Nigeria must to mo oswon here must we make that word up. We make that word up. Here we carry Nigeria, we must to see e Jerry legbe. No bodyguard we. Yeah we. Jerry, we have who have gbuwe wa Jerry. Jerry, we have la. Jerry, you we have la. That was we okay Allah. My people, Esther mama, 7 children, 8 children, 8 husbands. Story deal. Who fair play this one finish? Story deal. Esther, the story where keke o. It is like bomana majori say o. The story where keke o. Because a boma wo na a mona wa ya stay yagbon. This kind of women, we feel get mad, but for 8 men in a moya states. You marry your more. You just not chop picking. They know feel they okay for dog buy. All this one they chop children. You are your more. In are your more spiritually. Also, now me or you get here, or you get here. If you start you or ye yafune. Not chopper. Ave mono huna or dig buhuna. Huna lay nana. Lay na.
We go where we go. Oh, there all la wow. Oh, who go to do Bugan was soon. Mena go mark bono, may wait it back with your way. Mega I asked me as one saga way. Me go mark bow him. He may well go him. He may well not bash out more for I got me bed John. I have na bata. And when I jega the better and I say we are. Ugi jega. Try and come go kiri for Germany here. You don't go come out. Many no woman, many. When I will be my quality. AJ Germany. AJ Germany. Imana muwe ye. Life imprisonment. You have a muwe your boy where they come in.
Worry. Why we see Nigeria? We more life imprisonment. One. And when Jamie or the team when we out back. Why when we turn now? Why we see Nigeria? We are video now. We laugh. Mama Lizzie, I did Nigeria. Mama Lizzie, who are going to Nigeria? We life imprisonment. Why are in Nigeria? We live video. Why lily corner? 2 when week be where the ticket. What time Mama Lizzie, I dare you. Maybe you go Nigeria. 2 gilimeti. And I take government Jamie Yagbina. 2 gilimeti where live video where to say Mama Lizzie, more tending. If you know say you strong, meet me for Nigeria. I'm gonna meet for Nigeria. We battle. Mama Lizzie money jowa with the time man. I know say Mama Lizzie, you not try. If you know say you get head, Esther we really will be try tell Mama Lizzie say Mona jump for Nigeria this month ending. We only enter this month today. We God bless you. We not be well, God bless you. We try what time man we Mama Lizzie. That's where work baby. Who will be? Okay. The month ending now we be in Nigeria. You know feet. Now why Jamie when I done I done why Jerry I done why Jerry the ticket now what try e Mama Lizzie man don't go a platform in do time where okay more na feast date where but what type platform where you talk about platform say more tending feast the date talker no everybody put on here now we do me we wire la why we set in there what do I get yeah buy us na talker I buy Mama Lizzie, me ya go even have the ticket to a problem there. Na big lady. Just that the woman she just they do a low key. We are media. We are all living low key over here. Or you go operation book be obey Omomebo na well. Operation na book be. E wa gbe bana. The oppression was too much. E wa gbe bana. See your life now. Where in my journey, in my prison journey, in my why in Nigeria where I get na no work gbese. You go no we many, I get money that the dollar spin. We get alone you go na get a fake life to live. That money when you say you get property, mo go see whether you really get money. It don't be fake life where you live. Mo go check whether you really get money. E ba yan mo pa ni wona ka jo wa wege, we jo wa wege na wala we gbe ore. Wala we gbe except say we be we assassin ya. Wala we gbe wa watch na. Man no feel boy na. Una dey listen.
Imagwe gokin. Imagwe no gbashago morere fu ago me bejon. Ebe na bata. Enu gbe na jega be bejon ya na se we ai. Ugi jega. Try and come go kiri for Germany here. You don't go come out. Ebe many no women many. Menu bata we ru ami mama eku alele aje Germany. Aje Germany. Imana mu we here. Life imprisonment. Ya be mu we yo but we dey coming. Aso agwa imo uwe mama kame kanwe. Imakporu no sigbo we. O makame kanwe. Ima we there. E mo say frustration your work be. E mo say depression your work be. E mo gogu wa Omomebo. Who wa tell onu wa God get the vigi. Osaloba na the power the strength in nima. Osaloba na the gyodu nima ni ma ya ku wa. E
No we go here. Who don't we go? Don't we go? We see big problem. We see why David was see problem le ya. Don't we go? Eh family we fully now. We go on we lay you over. We no go on we lay you over. We me no go on no lay you over. Do we video. Small we post we oh my go with live videos is how many days. Do we live video na bere no atalo we no gbon wa lay you over. Ekwe mu wa mo se we mighty we live wa ile wa ya ki wa zi baladia. Wa dogun a. But maybe be tap because when I wa tell ba e ma kan wa na azuo. Wa dogun a wa le iwo wa. Na wa biju ebe mi. Dogun a ewe ye nu tama easy na go easy Mommy Lizzie we wa egun we gbesta yen gure ma wori the platform we go don muguji o yare ma go don muguji. Mwe picture me ma rema don muguji. Who am I watching? Who are who? Where to stay? Ah, what be doing here? Ooh. It is also now. Mama Lizzie, we rap a picture. Oh, wa no week be. We book a date. You tell me what I be in Nigeria. Or I Google week be. When you get where you get money, that they jealous you get jeep, you get property everywhere for the world. May you come down for Nigeria. Who don't get property? Who don't get anything? See me, you come down. See me, you talk the date. He will do Nigeria wait for you. But shame not let you talk and why we like Bobo Atalogi. Because we want to know ya go wa weji. Ama we no wo kan wa kan wele. So far no me aparu no ya zo wo sege. O we hina. Ama we no wo kan ta lo. We wa gbele mo ya kan for all me a family we me concentrate yi. When the David wa luwa no wa rubbish na obun David no. The David oh am no. Oh why family got disgrace. Master na David can leave you people to be doing rubbish or the code in what agbawe family agbawe vanisi ko here. Yeah, David the whole is a useless man. Useless man. The hear me so is a useless man. So when I go on week be tell her the platform with the way video way dear mama Lizimo na jump for Nigeria. Oge webo. Enu do money Jamie government why so no do money right there. Me when we go avie kakabo go we emotional cry jebe when I emotional cry we go afi with agbo in Nigeria I'm emotional cry I will get we body I'm emotional cry I'm emotional. Although I'm emotional. They don't. You want kill me? You talk. I'm in Nigeria. I'm in. I say I like in Nigeria. You know, woman work beju no. Woman work beju.
we mama kameka we imakporu no sigbo we oma kameka we ima we je e mo say frustration your we gbe e mo say depression your we gbe e mo gogu wa Omomebo who wa tell onu wa goge David osalopo na ri power ri strength ni ma osalopo na ri gyodu ni ma ni ma ya go ogwa e depression na ila Omomebo gbe we depression yen be like gbe na e restaurant nu ya gbe la wa
Where depression la me agbe wo we won ma go live video. We live video eri we kaya we video we. E fast we even fast we are platform we ami ma gbon wa. Ami ye is ozu. Ami ma gbon wa. Ami ma gbon wa. Don't want to amu a platform we. Don't want to see we don't want to fast we. They want to see we the media na part for fracomozo no make careful. Who be your friend for media? But we are telling media we only man no see me ya bu. We only presenter no see me the media na. But we must say because who go I mean we waiting the one was say for 1 month, 2 months we are winning. Ya get boy no very Nigeria. We are we are play game we sokba. Ba be tie boy ni no ga cook bokba no boy no mu 10 naira na money, 10 naira na money, 20 naira na money. Wetin dey call that boy? Sapolo. A boy no ga mo sapolo. A boy no what the we say when we agbe when agwan wa be boy ni we say. Wale boy ni give you say. Done. O na ga lele we anything. A problem no emuge Jerry Atika. A problem na Jerry say was a problem ya Jerry. Just like the Jerry only do afum okbia. I be man, I support my wife. I be man, I support my wife. Jerry had dey have no say sinaya. Jerry see problem re on you. Why see the problem rene Jerry want constant as a man. Me no be like say man not support your wife. Jerry will collect wetin no good. Where you Esther or you see problem ya get Jerry. Just that Jerry con et go egwan. Jerry con. Where you see problem get Jerry ne. Jerry do afọ I be man. I be man. I be man. Ozuo. Owo give me say problem give me. Owo give me say problem give me. Owo give me say problem give me. Who was a problem? A problem na no re na. Wo ya treat Omomebo. Ama me voice awa we wa. The voice no ya treat Omomebo. Oui, the voice no ya treat Omomebo. Ama me voice awa we wa. Wo si matana la social media. Wo si matana la social media. Oui, the voice no ya treat Omomebo, oui. Wo si matana la social media. The voice no ya treat Omomebo. See, listen to your voice.
Matama always God will punish you. Every nature ni explain or different. Matama always God will punish you.
Well, see, the way to carry the matter at
Every nature ni explain or
not be Jerry carry this matter at social media. Oh, that make you say, I know they to me Jerry. I know it because not be Jerry carry this matter at social media. Now this evil woman that carry at social media. And this matter not concern now. Now Jerry concern because now Jerry family. But based on saying that evil woman, we be say they always cause wahala. I think carry this matter at media. Or he like media no waiting at banana David. David work banana. David the evidence of Medi. David the evidence of Medi. Why you ask banana again? You want now press Omomebo. David now. As we are talking, David don't have rest of mind. No we board who now. Okay, Mama Lizzie now. I heard they laugh. Me I will what? Me I agree. One of the listing.
a problem iro one ke nuna gbebata no na balowe. No problem. I will not call you again. I was not calling you before because Umari marok by anybody concerning David.
When I hear one everyone don't marry, you don't marry. I will marry marok by anything. Where? We're not fair. Umari marok by anything. Alright, Esther. Alright, Jerry of voice Jerry make me banner. If you are voice Jerry. When I marry, when I marry away, if I marry Omomebo, when I marry Omomebo, I marry away. Wo hindu atamu bo right oge waria. Omomebo atitam we right we David. We ga atame. Ovi we I hate you. Omomebo gwan you are. We ga atama we I hate you. People are devil. Omomebo gwan you are. Omomebo guayoa. Oh guayoa. Oh so Omomebo. Una mwela media. Now what do I for me? I'm a member. What's your query? I want to beat this David. What do I for me? Emotional blackmail. Emotional blackmail. After Usioko no badone. Usioko la media na we ile lawa. Ejeri no zua no man na agwan ejeri a support we. Wa gbenale David. David the my support wa. David ali we all the corner support wa. Why worry? Una the listing.
Where Mama say or what anybody concerning DVD where Mama say or whatever. You are lying. You must wait. God will punish you. La post a cut a video in record. In matter my way, where I stand for the truth. So now we were video. Anyhow, you are making me to believe that
You stand for the truth.
our
You stand for
Epa
the
is
truth.
saying the truth.
Our
But
Epa
a
is
proof
saying
is
the
where
truth.
maybe have but your attitude or different. Worry ma when have your way tala work ba my sister. Yeah, baby social media. Esther call. You are lying.
Wa beg you know ya like social media eh. When I see it tala we work ba ya baby social media. Wa threatening another woman or why. You are threatening another woman in his husband's house because you get social media. Today, you were a 30 person, you they run it all up and down. You they found one help you do saga. You they found one help you do saga. Wa leri lagi baba. After we threatening no man away, wa ari we itala work. That's how you brought the saga. Look at the reply Omomebo give you.
He must wait. God will better than your deal with for. On my west, money be social media. If I need my way, we are now make bezo. Try to go in social media. La woman are go social media. Oh, that is I can't man. Try to go me go. Since one next social media, because now we live video, we figure the wrong one. No problem. Get fired down.
You see how it happen. Omomebo we ufi we emero wonu so women. See the way Esther oppressor with media. Before we know, also Esther light social media up. Esther started to light social media. Started to give Omomebo what to not good because Omomebo not get big platform. He started to give Omomebo what not good. Before you know, so the thing sell and give Mama Iku. Mama Iku now from that side started to give Omomebo what not good. Before we know, Omozo will enter. The theory of the come to media now. The theory of the camp, they can't face only Omomebo now. Oh, Bob, not be small matter people. Nobody to talk for Omomebo side. No, you they laugh for here. Omomebo, you they look like this. You are value yo. Oh, how you have it? You are value yo. Social media be done. Oh, they be done. Batting. You they like this. You they see person. I want value you. Who are you? Omomebo. Who are you? Until you have finished Omomebo. But today, only me one now, they crush all of them. Only me one, and they crush all of them. I not the fear anyone who want for me for that. Mama give you you pre. Only me one, almost Esther, Mama Iku, the three of them. Just that Mama Iku already set to aside. He already see where for made mistake. The two of them were remain, made they fall out. They don't the fear. Now the worst way stuff do be this one. So wounded. I say now me it did not the right arrow happy for anybody we see because it's finished. Oh my me who we not anyway always saga we are treating now. Anyway always saga. Me go we be saga. Me they deal with your family. You they deal with different people. Me never carry different people come out here. All your family now they carry come out. All your family who can't get sense of me are you. You say me not get sense, but me they deal with your family. You will get sense. You they deal with you carry different problems. They tomorrow now, though they beat your husband for anywhere where they see her now. You now no see the problem where your husband cause for say your wife cause for and they beat and put. Even with my one with different people picture like they want to be happy yo. We not see the happen. People we don't know. Go see this lady. We see they do TikTok. Juliet. No why we are bar happy Juliet here. Oh, the one with the blogger. Where be say in the post of for YouTube Who belaro happy in egbe. Which they know they carry my video. You don't see me carry people for blogger. Blogger carry my video, carry your own. Me go carry your picture, call the poor happy now. I will never do that. Because blogger carry and what will they put for ground? They will carry. They will carry. But you go, you two go, they carry blogger, the poor happy for their picture. Who is mad? Don't know the name, who ma where? Don't know the name. Egbu na wash men now. Iya ma fi we metamagba. That mean go tagba. Egbe when you wa. Egbe dan. Iya we ni mo ya laja. Mo ya laja egbe dan. Iya we. We na egbe dan. Iya. Ono mo na yo wa na wetin mo ko yo wa. O wa age ya won wa mo na yo yin wa age yo won. Iya. Egbo ni aje we Nigeria. Very useless set of people. Egbo ni aje we wa. Kini we mana bo wa mana ya bo wa. Kini moto say na there for the builders. Village. Yeah, boy village. See there. So about my turn on God. It's a family work. If family work finish, the most useless family. So, this is his family. Today your family is suffering what they don't know. Your family now they receive what they don't know. Your family they receive what they don't know now. They hide for his house. After it don't cost wahala. Continue to write happy for people picture. The more you write, the more you cost more wahala for yourself. Don't be me. Everybody say wahala na go family wey make be. A family where when you bring me a day. A family where when you bring me a day. But a family where be me man in the boom. Me man in boom. So I go here have a problem. So a family where now when you bring me a day. Ogoba do gbiyan ki yan riri aje. Ofia do gbiyan ibiju na. Ibiju na. Ezaza ga ala yan gbe ki yan riri aje. Ezaga sa ga ala yan gbe obi. Oga ala yan gbe ba fan. Doing rubbish. The Jerry Gbuwe. The Jerry Gbuwe. Omomebo magwayo. Wa Jerry venerian. Omomebo magwayo yen o. E video yen ya me o. Oui, wa Jerry meme. Omomebo magwayo. Ori so Omomebo we na do. Oui. Ori so Omomebo una do. Bam. See your shame and disgrace. Oui. Ove like be. Shame and disgrace we. See your shame and disgrace. Oui. Where's a shame and disgrace? The shame and disgrace. You make shame and disgrace anywhere. Okay, you know.
Restaurants no knock here cocaine.
I don't know as well. I wait. I
love your kids too.
We are me cooking. I will am
So phone, Esther.
I will am cooking in Nigeria yemu. Or you will like video.
But father, the ex-wife wey wan say na go prison. That one now you can't carry now say now you can't still be mama. Why it be say some people they go they are now they stay for one place. Now be where that way confused. Una be where that way confused. Where that way not make sense. This useless woman. Your own godfather when you are an adult day for many years, more than 20 years for Belgium. Before Omomebo come from before Omomebo come from what they call her, whether na Italy or France, I don't know where because Omomebo confused. I don't know where Omomebo really did for his side. Before Omomebo come marry David, come Belgium. Now you this lady K, wo Google key for marriage. Now you. Call your papa, if they call you his daughter. Now 12 una na got that day. Why can't be say can't bring woman now? That woman You can't carry out the fight your
I
godfather.
did the fact. Not be you they carry the
this
fact.
useless woman, so
This
this
is
is
the repeat not
this
be.
woman will go kill for marriage. This useless woman where don't knock all the men finish for Belgium. Where it told that they describe her like a wallpaper, newspaper for Belgium. No man fear you will zike we. If you cannot really die Belgium where ya wewe na ya we no good boy. Most you judge work be a. Lady K no joy ayoya le pepper soup. Lady K, ayoya le pepper soup. When no gonna give wicked say. Oh, Nisa ya misu ngome. Kwa the yari at the restaurant.
No why rock come out because I thought say make you come open restaurant for Jamie. Now make am want it is to open restaurant for bro easy. Because I tell her say if you don't say you wear come Jamie. Now make her quick rock come out now. Was you like it or you finish. We bring me at the West End night. Why you got man in the media? Almost one have agbe no etik gbe. Ọmọ no etik gbe wa pa si aye. E do prisi gbe won we agbe lede. Ki we lede ki aye o. We bo do prisi ade wa le. We ale. E lede ki ma we no we. E do prisi ogbu we media we se ni. E ma ni abeg rin etik gbe media. E ba prisi yan. No etik gbe yan ya le. Ọ̀rẹ́ lede ki o wa mo ti o la jare yan lede ki o we sagaba. Iyan ejeri do total. Iyan do total. Don't be sorry, don't remember na. Usu. Na, why you ask do do?
Ele go eje. Ele awo gba di ye na ge popo ni dele ya do ma.
O ma se we.
Ele aje.
Oya gba le gedo. Oya gba le gedo.
Ele aje.
Oya gba le gedo. Osile. Oya gba le gedo. Oya gba le gedo.
When you say you live at the beggar, I get restaurant. A restaurant no ya you san live at. What bell? O go ga bu o go gbeli wo ejuwa o. If you not that way so ya asa. E mata na kan we.
We webo. A very san live at webo. Why me reason si we webo na ri san live ya be webo. Ibi agbono juge. Ibi agbono juge. Wa make na very restaurant ya isale restaurant we bo a e ke me mi enwu ya talon ya wa e ki won ma mo wa na e do prince gbelu wa na wa mighty face it on prince wa ya gbele ma no ma pa ma ever. These are useless set of people. We I want the support we is they make me aroba make me
aroba account me gbe ize yan we gbe fake account na iladian. No do attack me. Oga mo ka attack we go work with you. Omo mo ka attack we. Elizike ogun ga gbu e. Ogun ga gbeli we juwa o. Isa go nepo wo iko. Iga ka we nu me na.
Shut up. David we no do gbe nu we. We know what he did. David we no do gbe. Work for David. Why not David for media? Why media mission with David? So David will do gbe bana and we ba talu we taloni agbe o.
Le pa David ade. That was 2015. Mana we be ho. Wana drive ke bejo ade te ya ke we me go ma gbon. Ime we go kin. E do mo go ta sisasi. Esa me we party de esa me Elizike na o die party me ne Germany.
I tell na just that we pepper at come up with this one. Itamu abana na we iwa ni ata me ba wa we me we kire restaurant si Jemi. We kire restaurant si Jemi. E bedo mo we bedo mo me ya we. Me bedo mo no. Ni ya we media na 5 years or 7 years ni ya we na. Go 5 years me gbe media na. E we are Facebook or TikTok 7 to 8 months be TikTok na. This is so. I just want pepper na because he say na the try the talk Lady K passant. He big passant. Lady K not small. Lady K not small. He big passant. Go Lady K restaurants. Now big restaurants, one of the biggest restaurants for Benjo. We know madam Kyokpa na not Kyokpa be Gemina ge poor woman. They not get money. They poor. They poor. You have to a fake life you live. I Jerry won't be Jamie. I want Yanyo Jerry won't be Jamie or Daniel Jerry or Daniel Diku. I Yanyo Jerry won't be Jamie. Jerry remove our control down. 4 not the 40 not the 4. 40 Jerry not get 40 for front 4. Or worry yen or work it your instantly. Or work it your instantly.
Life.
Okay, Joma instantly.
So, as I was saying, power tap and share, guys. Power tap. So, my lovely people, this woman, he go pay Domugu.
All of them doesn't go pay me.
Domugu no fit beat me for saga. Mega be Domugu taking a real talk here. That useless boy.
Where we are
What did that one
agreement.
know?
Where you have your man be saga. Esagi ma ya swena. I have your man where your bay. Where we are agreement. You want beat me? Don't pack many people jump or deal with the fact. Fact me. Leave all those people alone. Inside fact, you must get fans where they support you. You still get fans where they support me. Still get where they support me. Leave fact me. Leave those people. Wag be me. When wag be, it's where you are wonderful. Away.
Be a single mother that will marry to a useless man, a jobless man, a man who cannot wake up in the morning and go outside and look for job and look for better thing to help himself and the family. God forbid. Yeah, it's only a useless woman that can marry to a useless man, because even if your husband is useless, you can tell him, go and look for something to do. This thing you are doing.
But are we complaining? You don't know the source of our income. We pay our rent, we pay our bills. Why are we complaining? Are we lack of money? We don't lack of money. Work is not achievement. Work is a stress. It is also the work when they work, you don't know work while they work. So if you they work like in life, pray what they pray, say somebody should eat like elephant and walk like an ant. Walk like an ant and eat like elephant. Don't walk like elephant and eat like an ant. You see, so that's the parable people make. Say, walk like a ant and eat like an elephant. So some people walk like elephants and eat a little bit. That is why you see most of the people in media are illiterate. They will say, go and walk. They are illiterate. They don't feed you. They don't know how you live. They don't know how you do your things. I take care of my children. I'm with my wife. I'm at home. I'll be here. We are paying our bills. We don't stay street. We live a better life. Now we celebrate birthday for our children. Those one where they work, they know they celebrate birthday. They know they do birthday. They know they spend money for their children. Nothing. But all what they don't know, go and work. Just because they want to do saga. That is called cheap blackmail saga. Cheap blackmail. Work Omomebo. Work be family, but work more like social media. And if face when oh ya sile man, no ma sile mo ya sile ke wake up wa sile ya.
I say our daughters not by this woman. This woman I don't roti. He don't roti. Mama don't buy. What you don't want to do me? We not doing our body. Una bring picture. Don't move they say this one is her sister.
That mama where I talk, I say mama marry 8 wife, 8 husband, and 8 children. That is that one say prepare and where. In the evening, if I come, I will come analyze that story where Esther mama marry 8 husband and 8 children. Magnus, I remove Eladian. In your provoking Eladian. In your provoking Eladian. Magnus, you are welcome to Saga. I remove Eladian, but don't worry.
Your cousin, no. These are my lovely sister from the same womb. That they bring come out.
Okay.
All of them they are brought with their husband and their children.
Okay.
You understand?
Oh wait.
Eh?
They listen.
This will not be Omomebo.
These are my lovely sister from the same womb. That the praise the break come out. Jonathan tells you hear the talker. These are my lovely sister from the same womb. That the praise the break come out. But when the attack get here, he made a mistake. If he just since if he just but in now, you know if you see my mama picking, you know see no my papa picking, you don't see anyone. You know see cousin. Now only the one with France sent give her my cousin Yuri. Say different father. Yes, now very soon those in papa Agagbele Yaladian, those different fathers. Different fathers. Agagbele Yaladian. Different father. Like this one now. This one papa and Esther papa they different though. Now they show now different father. This one and Esther papa, but at the same mama is different. This one, another father again. This one, another father. That's 3 father. This one, another father. Esther, 1 father. That one, why I bring on 1 father, that's 3 father. My sister, another one come out again. Now they see different father. Another father. Esther, mama pikin. Another father. This one, not I say don't pause on that side.
They shout. Me, I not fit shout. Your day live video. How many hours at the end of the day?
As I talk now, you don't quick come out of the don't go put my sister picture.
Sister.
My cousin.
They call like Yore. He there for belly.
Is that so? So
all the Igbo men there for belly. All of them don't knock this this they want picky. At least at all, even if now 1 or 2, you fit still born for the man.
Is that so? This one, another father.
This one,
oh, this one, another father. The same amount all of the bill, another father.
This one.
Another father.
I say not concern me now. Cause the woman.
This one, another father.
I say not try and make go on bijou.
This one, another father. All right, mama pick you. I see brother again.
See the mugu papa. I don't have for his side ground. Okay.
This one, another father.
I get family picture. That's what they think they do saga.
This one, another father.
This one now.
So the boy where they side. The boy really
hey, papa.
See, another father.
Me, I don't tire for this boy.
Another father.
Esther Maladian.
Different father.
Esther no Ladian. Esther not come out. Esther not come out. My brother not be like you will be lazy fool.
You only are low. When we know what I mean, you only are low. Let's hear we are late. Go ahead,
my family picture. I know they try. I'll tell you, say, you get your platform.
May they beat your family. You they go beat different people.
Because the Muguna idiots.
Imam miss a target. Allah don't miss target. I don't miss target. All my mama children they bring come out.
This will not be the Mugu sister.
Not be frank, say that for you away. Don't give me, give me jouer. Il veut jouer là,
Go social media not be for you. Go look for work.
Il veut jouer là,
you don't know how to do social media. Tomu go lagwa no gugbera gbiju eni va bofia ko le jouer. No jou we ya mungu no ma bia ate gu we fiawu. Lagwa. You don't sabi do social media.
Really?
No sabi do social media. Did
Really?
you just tire
Okay.
me say this?
You where they pack different people, so they do social media. Me, they deal with your family. You know my family they deal with now. I don't say they try. You they carry different cheap for you go Mama Lizzie platform, you take a picture. Go to that one, you take a picture. That one a cheap saga. You don't know we meet they see your family. You don't know how they see your family. You are doing cheap saga. You at that platform, you carry person picture, come and say it. It is saga. That's cheap saga. We I met two way and this your sister. No one they don't they do social media the way they do social media. But now you they make me the disgrace there today. I'm disgracing all of them. Repetition, see there. Oh no. Who wanna wear? This is not to do this. Man, if you do where say Magnus go sweater social media. Yes, nah, Magnus is coming now. It's cookie. A Magnus may make sure any so either. After me, don't please Magnus at your tele. Imam me say nini. At your two Magnus Abiati Magnus Alajaba where was? I'm a Magnus Alajaba.
Go and walk.
Magnus go fall out.
Go and walk.
Mugu.
Ya wina no sun go bagbon.
Saga do like
Useless boy, lazy
I
fool.
wanna we am where Omomebo na saga like
As I
now.
just still come and go dey happy, go say, hey, Esther do answer me.
Oh, we go dey happy.
Celebrity do answer me.
Oh, we go dey happy.
Big woman do answer me.
Iyo do full egbo wọ́n na wo la dia iyo do full egbo ni Omomebo a wo se owo na wo yan no ga chatting ni we ya mo matara la social media ya gbo agbewu you know Omomebo do get we too ho Omomebo a get we too ho